hello guys, today I bring to you one dessert. This dessert is like a traditional dessert here in Thailand, and the dessert is a little weird coming with, it's the most weird dessert that I eat actually, because I never eat this uh, yuca. I don't know if you know what is yuca. It's like a potato, a longer, and coming with coconut milk, sugar, and the yuca. Okay, this one that is longer like this. I don't know the name in English if it's yuca, but I hope you like the video, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe and give me a big like. Thank you. Go to the video. Here is how it look like. The yuca is really sweet. Actually, the coconut milk I think is plain because not tasty sweet at all. Little bit salty. You can feel in the coconut milk. I think it's time to eat. Go there. We will try the yuca and coconut milk. Really good. The yuca really sweet. Actually tasting a little bit sweet potato, but more strong when you buy. Not like a sweet potato that is really soft, but it's really good. This one a local, really local dessert here in Thailand. I love it. Finish. Well, if I find another dessert really good, I will put more video. Okay, bye bye.